People who introduce you to new ways of thinking and new ways of seeing life are important. People are very selfish nowadays. Even friends or relatives, they don't want to tell you how you can live a good life or the new ways of thinking because they think you are going to overtake them. That's why they don't want to tell you, but they have got a good advice or a good plan for you. Sometimes you don't have a plan or a business plan. That business plan, your friend have got a something or experience on that business, but your friend doesn't want to tell you because your friend is very selfish. People are very selfish, but when you find a person who can introduce you the way you are thinking, the way to live your life, how you can run a business or what, that person, you are very lucky to have those people, because nowadays it's very difficult. People, guys, your relatives doesn't want or to overtake them, or maybe especially when you are an orphan, it's very difficult because no one can wish you well in your life. People, they think about themselves only. So when you find a good friend who can introduce you or in good things in life, you are very lucky, because it's very difficult, guys. Nowadays it's very difficult to find a person. People are very selfish, though they don't want to see other people to have progress, to achieve in life. They want themselves to achieve in lives. They have got good ideas to run a business, good ideas to live a life or to run a marriage, but they don't want. When you saw your friend is telling you that maybe in your marriage, to tell you the positive things, how you can deal with your husband or your wife, or in relationships, you understand, your friend is advising you positive way in relationships, you are very lucky, because people, guys, we always encouraging negative things to people, because you want to see that person going down in life. When it comes to go at clubs, drinking alcohol, what is the way we want, because it doesn't build in life. But when it comes to positive things, you are telling your friend that this business, this and that, what. Other people are very selfish a lot. But when you find a person who, you are very lucky, sometimes you have to take it, because it's sometimes it can happen for a short time. You don't know life. You understand? So you have to take that person serious, because anytime that person is maybe no longer being alive or what, you understand? So you have to take that person serious, and to change how you think, how you live. So it's, guys, you are very, like, because people are very selfish people. They know business ideas, but they don't want to tell you